Hello, my name is John Dickerson. I am from Sterling, Illinois. I am a member of the Illinois National Guard, and I am also a state worker as a correctional officer in a prison. I am going to start with the things I value for the course. Chapter 6, Verbal and Nonverbal Communication, and Chapter 7, Listening and Feedback, the other half of communication. For me, communication is everything with everyone. Everything. I can't go into it enough. I value communication highly. For me, my strengths are I think that I am great at analyzing things. I will pick out all details, whether you meant to make that mistake or if it was on purpose, whatever, I'll pick it out, which makes me great at editing things, no matter what it is. But my weaknesses are I'm not great at creating the initial draft of anything, Word, PowerPoint, any of that, and I'm not that great at the whole research aspect of creating anything. So hopefully my strengths will meld well with your strengths and your weaknesses. Let me know if you'd like to be my team member.